Hello everyone, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to log into University of Auckland. The University of Auckland is a public university based in Auckland, New Zealand. It is the largest, most comprehensive and highest ranked university in New Zealand and consistently places among the top 100 universities in the world by QS World Rankings. If you want to log into University of Auckland, open your web browser first. As soon as you do that, in the URL box, type in www.auckland.ac.nz and press the enter. You'll be taken to its official website. In order to log in as a student, you'll need to click on the Students button from the top of the screen. Similarly, for staffs, you can click on the Staff button, and for your alumni login, click on the Alumni option. After you do that, click on Student Services Online in order to log into your student account. Now, on the next page, you can enter your email or your university username in the first text field. Now move on to the next text field and type in the password for your account. Make sure to type in the correct password every time you log in order to log in without any kind of a problem. You can also sign in with one of the social accounts below. Simply click on it and enter the credentials in order to log in. In case you've forgotten your password, you can click on I've forgotten my password at the bottom of the sign-in box and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. Once you're done entering all the credentials, click on the sign-in button and you'll be logged into the University of Auckland account. That is how you can do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.